Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful coffee cup holder from a wooden plaque. Okay, so I started out with a 6x24 wooden plaque and it was unprimed. So I went ahead and put 2 coats of white primer on it. And now I am going to put a base coat. It is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I mixed it with Floetrol and water only. And I'm just going to get that spread on. Doesn't have to be perfect, just nice and even. And then these colors that I'm using, I've got Modern Masters Metallics. It's soft gold. And then this one here is Black Cherry. Now I will be adding black, and I'm using Amsterdam Lamp Black, and those colors are mixed with Floetrol and water only as well. Alright, so I am actually hoping to go for a marble kind of look on this board, so we will see. I'm gonna let you guys watch this and see how it develops. Okay guys, definitely not what I was going for, so I'm going to give it another try. I've decided to change up the colors just a bit. I'm using Folk Art Antique Copper here, and I still am using the Modern Masters Pale Gold. And I decided I'm going to do a swipe on this big thing. So my swipe color is the Amsterdam Lamp Black, and I'm using brown paper, brown craft paper. And yeah, it's a big swipe, but I think it's looking pretty good. Those cells are developing quite nicely, and totally not what I was going for, because like I said, it was going to go for the marble look. But here we are with the wet photos, and you can see how gorgeous those cells and lacing developed with that black Amsterdam Lamp Black. Okay guys, so I've got some finishing touches to do to this. I decided to wipe the edges off. You can see that they're all white there, and I just got some black acrylic paint. I think it's Liquitex black, and I'm just going to paint all the way around it, speeding it up so it moves along a little faster. It's kind of boring sitting there watching me paint at regular speed. Alright, so now I've got a little bit more finishing up to do. It's kind of a bunch of steps here. I decided that the back was kind of ugly, so I painted that black as well. And then I have got some hooks that the coffee mugs will be hanging from. And I just did some measuring, and a little tricky with these nails sometimes. I just used a Sharpie, put the little marks in the holes, And then an easy way is to use a thumbtack there. I've got those big ones, and then just pound them in. It creates the hole so it's not so hard to start the screw for the hook. So you just tap those in and then pull them back out real easy. And then, like I said, it's much easier to screw them in if you've already got that pilot hole started. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this, and I'll be back again for the next step. Okay guys, you can see I've got all the hooks on now, and I do have another step for you that I wanted to show you. I'm going to be putting the sawtooth hangers on the back, and I'm going to be using kind of the same process that I did with the hooks. I measured in 4 inches, and then I'm putting the first hook right at that 4-inch mark, or the first screw, and then just going to screw it in just like I did the other ones. And so you can go ahead and watch this. It's kind of self-explanatory. If you do have any questions though, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. That way I can answer them. I do read all of my comments. And I don't know if you can notice there real quick, you saw that part right there. I just took a Sharpie and touched it up, and it was good as new. Okay, so I will be doing the same thing on the other side. I measure in 4 inches and then put another sawtooth hanger on it. Okay, so you can see that they're both there, and it looks super nice. And also, I decided to add a wooden coffee letters on there. You couldn't really see, but what I had done was I took some wood stain and I stained it. And then I took some Liquitex white, titanium white, and added quite a bit of water and made like a whitewash. And then I went over it several times. And then I ended up taking gold glitter and putting gold glitter on. You can kind of see it here. The lights are kind of bright in my studio, so it's hard to see that. But anyway, so I put liquid nails on it and pressed it on. I didn't even measure when I put it on. I just kind of winged it. I didn't think it was that important to be so precise on that. But anyway, I'm gonna let it dry, and now you can see what it looks like completely finished, and voila. I am so happy with how this turned out. I love it, I love it, I love it. I hope you guys do too. Leave me a comment below. And don't forget, if you have any questions about the whole process, leave those in the comments as well. I did have one quick step I had to add, put those little felt sticky things on the back, because when I put the screws in, it kind of hung at an angle, and that also actually protects the wall as well. So again, I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, also share it with anybody that you think may enjoy it. And you can see that it is holding the coffee mugs. I love my coffee station. It looks super cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got a bunch more that I know you'll enjoy as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.